Within the next 24 hours, Well3 is going to be launching on Tier 1 exchanges. And this is a major deal because Well3, if you're not familiar, is simple WELL, has already seen major traction in the crypto space. We've seen Mario Nawfal, one of the biggest crypto influencers over on X, recently hold a Spaces over on X. And in this Spaces, he talked about dependent AI and the future of health and how Well3 plays a major role in this. We've seen major Tier 1 exchanges announce that they're going to be listing this token from day one, where we have seen that Gate.io, Bybit, BitGet, and the list goes on of major companies and major influencers who have supported this project before it's ever launched. We've seen tens of millions of dollars in TVL for this project. The Well3 public sale was like a major success, and just in 7 days, they have been able to see a massive TVL of 15,237 ETH, or around $55 million. And we've seen that an additional $8 million was able to be raised through seed round and NFT sales. And I think this product has been so successful because it capitalizes on a few major sectors and ideas in crypto. The first is DePIN, which has been a massive sector in crypto over the last year. A lot of people are expecting this to be a multi-trillion-dollar industry. I think we also are seeing that it's capitalizing on artificial intelligence, which is always very important in crypto and a very exciting topic. And the third thing is simply wellness. Wellness is a multi-trillion-dollar industry, and they are capitalizing on that. They're bringing all three of these things together into one, and they're ultimately they're integrating DePIN and bridging the gap between digital and physical wellness. They're using smart devices like wearables, the Well Ring, to track health metrics and reward healthy behavior. And I think with this, with their partnerships with Animoca, Samsung, AWS, the Spartan Group, Fenbushi, Soul Capital, Newman, and a lot more, I think they've been able to really attract a lot of eyeballs to this project. So I'm expecting big things for this TGE. So like I said, this TGE is taking place on July 3rd. And if you go ahead and look on their X account, they said, look, the Well claim is set for July 3rd at 9:30 UTC, followed by listing at 10 UTC. So depending on when you're watching this, it's either probably just before or just after the TGE. But an important thing about this project is that I think it's much more than just, an exciting launch. I think it's a long-term product because if you're looking at their website and you scroll down a little bit, they talk about a few major things. They say, first, Well3 is a leading Web3 wellness platform that revolutionizes health data management by transforming it into valuable rewards. By harnessing our decentralized physical infrastructure network and decentralized identity, along with sophisticated AI analytics, we engage users with surprise airdrops and rewards. They scroll down a little bit further, you could see some key details about the project. So it says what defines us: $5.6 trillion wellness market fit. Well3 taps into the $5.6 trillion wellness market, poised for 5 to 10% annual growth. By integrating DePIN wearables, the innovative crypto incentivized Well3 Ring, we meet the rising demand for personalized health data, redefining Web3 wellness. They talk about a premier product development. They've launched their product with a farming site, attracting 870,000 users and 518,000 unique wallet addresses, which has generated 16.2 million transactions. They've been able to build on this momentum. They introduced their decentralized identity, Well ID, which reached 600,000 registrations, and also their sustainable ecosystem model, because the Well3 token, WELL, is going to drive their ecosystem. Users are going to be earning Well3 by sharing anonymous health data. And if you look at it, tokens unlock premium features, personalized health insights, advanced analyses, and health products and services. So this ensures a user-focused business model, because it ultimately is not just a crypto project that is trying to raise a bunch of money, launch a token. They have real-world utility, wearables, they have major partners, they have all these different things that are going to help make this project a long-term successful company, in my opinion. So you can see some of the key data and achievements. Like I said already, 900,000 real users joined the Well3 platform, 530,000 unique wallet addresses, 55 million TVL, 17 million transactions created on Well3, and 324,000 NFT owners. A couple of key things about this is if you look at their roadmap, Phase 1 has already been completed. That was secured fundraising, where they secured over $5 million through a seed round and NFT sales. Public sale, they had $55 million in TVL. Then Phase 2, which is currently going on right now. Investment opportunities, they launch additional investment rounds to broaden the community. Token launch, which is set to happen very soon in the next 24 hours, just depending on when you're watching this. Promotion collaboration with partners, Dubai Token 2049, and Well ID rollout. That's ongoing. Then they talk about Phase 3, Phase 4. Phase 3 is partnership growth, expand to over 30, including key players in the IoT, fitness, wellness, and blockchain industries. Well3 wearables. They're going to roll out state-of-the-art Well3 wearables to enhance health tracking and user engagement. And then into Phase 4, partnership expansion and DPIN framework implementation. You can see exactly what they're doing there, and then more and more to come. So a few other things about this ecosystem are going to be with their capitals. Like we mentioned already, some of the key ones are AWS, Samsung, Spartan, Newman Group, Animoca Brands, and Fenbushi Capital. They also have a number of others that range from like XY Finance to Soul Capital to Magic Eden to Blur and many more. So this is a project that, like I said, I am extremely excited about because they're intertwining a number of key industries that all have massive potential. Wellness is never going away. There's trillions of dollars every single year invested into this space in, Web 2, Web 3, traditional. We see that with DPIN, it's a major growing sector in the crypto market. And these are just sectors that they are combining, taking advantage of, and really bringing this all together into one usable company that has products, that rewards its users, that has a number of services, and you can see its success with how many people have registered, how many people are excited and interested in this launch, and how many major tier 1 exchanges have jumped on board before they've even launched. You can see that, like I said, there's Bybit, Gate.io, BitGet. You could see that they also have talked with Mario Nawfal. You could see that the list of this, if you just keep scrolling down on their X page, the list goes on and on of major accomplishments, and it's really just pretty impressive what they've done. So I'm going to be keeping an eye out on this project as they are launching. I'm very excited to see what they have planned, what they're going to be doing moving forward. But with the amount of attention, I'm expecting big things. And I think this project could easily be $1 billion, $2 billion market cap during this market cycle, especially with the market starting to flip, starting to see a little bit positive momentum for altcoins at the current stage right now.